Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to go hidden mode on WhatsApp. It's a pretty simple method, so if you appreciate that, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. So let's start. First you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Now choose settings. Tap on the account. Then choose privacy. After you've chosen privacy, you have to disable read receipts. What you're doing now is you're turning off the option for someone to see when you've read the message. The only downside is that you also won't see when someone has read your messages. The other thing you have to do is go to last seen and choose nobody. And that's basically it. One quick tip: if you want to type in hidden mode, what you basically have to do is disable your mobile data, choose airplane mode and type in airplane mode so no one will see when you're typing. And then if you want to send your message, disable airplane mode, turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi and send the message. That's basically it.